Hey, what up YouTube? We got another unboxing for you guys. Covered up my address. Unboxing. Yes. Let's go ahead and cut it open so you guys can see what it is. Hold up. Got it? Okay, wow. Well, that's nice packaging. Right there. Let's see. Put that micro on. Raw Authentic. For those of you that don't know, it's a raw cigarette roller. Looks like I'm gonna have to cut that off. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. Trying to get the sticker off. Come off. I don't have any nails, man. Whatever. I'll live. Anyway, here it is. Looks like some paper stuff down in there. Oh, and I thought this was just my shipping information, but it was the papers I also ordered. But it looks like we got a bit of a problem. Yeah. Hopefully it'll work, but yeah. Raw. It's like start sheet, please remove. Okay. I will gladly remove you. There it is. Nice and thin. Not a lot of ash. Good thing. So here is the roller itself. So you put your tobacco in there and you close it and you roll it. But I don't have none in there right now, so so that is raw. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.